Hello everyone, it's Sue from Crafts and Joy and welcome to my craft room today. And I'm a UK based independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. It's a really exciting day, folks. It's you can now order from the new Christmas catalogue. I love this catalogue. It's one of my absolute favourites ever and I love it. I've ordered so many things. Oops. Yes, I love it. I wanted to do a bit of a launch today of the new catalogue, being able to order from the new catalogue. It's exciting. So I've decided to do 3 products, so I can't even speak, I'm so excited. 3 projects in one day, and nothing could be complete without having the mini Curvy Keepsake dies. Well, I want to share something with you. This is kind of a bit of backstory to this product, I think. A few years ago, Stampin' Up bought out a Curvy Keepsake box Thinlits dies, and this is mine. I still have it. Unfortunately, this is retired and they don't do it anymore. But you used to have to cut out 2 and obviously stick them together from this square here. So, and they bought out a baby brother version. This has been one of my most borrowed dies from my crafting friends. They have to almost like pay a deposit or threat of life. I know where they live because I love it that much. And obviously it takes something like, I think I put like 5 of the Lindor chocolates in, or a couple of, I put sweeties in or whatever, because it's, you know, and it also, this one used to take the Eos lip balms and stuff. So this is the original Curvy Keepsake die that I have, and this is its baby brother. Da, 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 da. So yes, and it's all in one, and it's a little bit smaller, but I don't mind it, and I've never, this is my first time of using it, so I'm going to put my original one away. As you can see, it's well used in my craft room. I think I can't remember how many years ago it was now, but it's quite a few years ago, but I still have it. You know, certain things that I keep forever, but this is its new one. So it also, in the set, it also comes with a few really useful, I've got one out, dies and stuff. This type of thing, these little things are just so brilliant. I just love it. And it also comes with a bundle, and you can get the tiny keepsakes, all little things to go on it. I'm choosing the Holly Jolly because I'm like that. That's a bit cool. But yeah, and it comes with a little snowflake, and that'd be really cool as well. You know, you could do that. And it's also got the lines and the stripes and everything. Oh, I'm too excited. Anyway, I thought we'd have a go at this. This year for my dinner table on Christmas Day, I always make little like little chocolate boxes or something. They're always usually done, my family like their own favourite colours, so we're a bit more not traditional, but we go for what the person's favourite colour is. So my stepdaughter, for instance, is purple. My husband is Chelsea blue. So is my stepson. Jessie's boyfriend is red for Liverpool. So they all have their own kind of, you know, very unique. So they know where they're sitting. They know where they sit anyway, but, you know, they all have their places at the table. But yes, so that's how we do it. So I'm just going to, and as if it wasn't enough, this you can get out of a 6x6. So if you've got any paper or anything you need to use up, or you want to use something different, this is just really uber good as well. It also comes with 2 of these. So I'm going to give that a go and see what they come out like. I'm also going to cut out, I have here, hopefully, under here somewhere. No, what have I done with it? Oh, a little star. I'm going to do a little star because I thought it'd be a bit different. So I'm going to do hopefully one run through the Big Shot, and all this will be cut out. This is my first time of using it, so I'm just going to stand up a second. I know my chair's a bit, I sit down, the air comes out of it a bit tight, so we're just going to run that through my Big Shot. Let me get the Big Shot out of the way. And I think that you are going to need a bone folder, so to get that out. But this is just going to be, look at this. I like it when it comes with little things like that. This is the first time I've used it. Yeah, oh, I'm loving those. But yes, I like it when they come with little extra pieces and you're like, oh, what should I do with them? Look at that cute little star. That'd be great on a card. So many things. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm just so excited. I can tell I'm excited because I talk quick. So yes, I'll show you how to put this together. So it has got on the bottom, you can see. So I'm just going to get my fingers and go over all 4 sides to create the box bottom. And we are going to need our bone folder. So this just looks great, doesn't it? I can see these being used for candles and stuff. So the idea is to make it sort of curvy, so it's going to be a bit sort of curved and not straight. So all I do is get my bone folder and I just give it a bit of a helping hand on all 4 sides, just gently. I don't want to miss, you know, just to sort of bend the fibres a bit on the card. And then it goes together like so. And this bit, we're just going to, on that, the D sort of shape bit, we're just going to fold that back. I'm just using my fingers here. So we're going to put those 2 bits together like so. These are so quick and easy. These would be fabulous for wedding favours. Oh, so many things. Put that bit over and then the right bit over. And that is so cute. OMG. This is the first time I've seen this. I'm really excited. Sorry, I just got carried away then. So I'm going to do a holly jolly and finish this card off. This box off. I'm getting too excited. Holly jolly. I've got a punch here, which is a 3/4 inch punch, and I'm just going to punch that out. Hopefully, it'll probably fly everywhere. And I'm going to pop that on there like that because that's really cute. Oh, I've got my finger in it. Oh no! If that happens to you, just do the other side. Well, can I get it in the same place in the centre? There we go. We are live here. Yeah. So let's just grab my glue. My glue's probably staring at me and I can't see it. Oopsie whoopsie, where's my glue gone? Honestly, it just hides. Okay, it's not going to be there. It's here somewhere. But how exciting. I just love this. See, I put my finger in that one and it smudged it a bit, but that's okay. I'm going to put that to the left a bit, holly jolly. And I've got some white baker's twine. I'm just going to close that up for a minute. And I'm going to just, put some of these like fronds almost they are on there. And I wanted to see how they'd look. Something like that. I haven't tried this, so actually I'm going to change my mind and going to cut another. See, this is how I craft. I change my mind all the time, and I'm going to cut another one out because I want to do a different colour. I want to do a different one. So let's get my big shot back in again. See, I changed my mind because you can. But this is such a fab thing to play with. I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to cut out another. Oops, everything's falling on me. Oops, I'm going to cut out another star. See, initially I thought, let's do that white circle. But now I'm not so sure, so I'm just going to put holly in the centre of that. Oh, sorry, I'm going to do it in a black. Straight on, like so, holly jolly. There we go. And I'm going to put some little, it's gone on there. I'm going to put a couple of little frondy type things coming out. I quite like that. A couple of them. So I'm just going to put a teeny bit of glue on them. Not much glue because they will. I'll put it the wrong side now. Whoops. See, this is how we craft. There we go, that's better. So I wanted it so it's sort of that way coming out. So on the back. I could have actually put 2 together, or 2 stars together. So, but I'm not particularly worried about that too much. There we go. Just going to pop that on there. I could have put another star on the back. What did I do with that original one? I could put sort of 2 together if I was worried about seeing that. Oh, I might put it on together. Oh, there we go. Holly jolly, make it different. Oh, there we go. See, things happen for a reason. Sometimes you're never quite sure why. Oh, that's got stuck to my desk. There we go, double back to, actually that looks neater, doesn't it? Oh, I quite like that. Holly jolly, so whatever way it goes, you're, you know. And then I'm just going to finish it off, my little box, by putting a bit of, I've got some white baker's twine here. This is going to be so useful as well. And it's a really reasonable price. And as you can see, it's new. I've got to get the sticky tape off. Oops. Whoops, there we go. Yeah. this for tags and stuff is just amazing. So I'm just going to snip off a little bit. I only need a teeny bit just to pull it through, and I'm just going to put that through. Oops. I'm just going to loop mine on there like so, but it's just all the right size for this really. So I just love it. I'm just going to put mine there. There are lots of things you can do with this Curvy Keepsake die, this mini one. So I'm sure I have, well, I know I have lots of things that I've made for them in the past. So I'm sure we're going to bring some of those back. Oh, that's a little bit, I think that's a little bit too drapey. Oh no, it's okay. No, I quite like it. No, there we go. And that's it. So I've done a, look, how cool is that? I really like this. This would be lovely on someone's for Christmas, on your dinner table for Christmas, or anything. You want to make something little for colleagues or your friends, family. You could put, you know, this would be a great way to disguise little pieces of jewellery or something. I don't think an EOS lip balm thing's going to fit in there. I think it's going to be too tall. I had it here on my desk and it's gone. Oops, it's gone. Yeah, it's not going to fit. It's not quite. No, someone was asking that will it fit, and it won't. So at least we know. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed my 3 videos today. This is number 2 of 3. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for later on. Don't forget to go to my channel and subscribe, and don't click on the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and happy Christmas crafting. Bye bye.